we are at the beginning of 2026, and this year is actually pretty special for me. This year marks 30 years for me in the trade and in the industry, full time. So I had actually started a little bit when I was part-time, so I've got about 33 years, but full-time in 1996 was when I got my first official. I left high school and we were in it. And we've been in it ever since. I've been very lucky to work in a bunch of different capacities within our industry to see a bunch of different perspectives and views and how things are done, and it's been a heck of a ride. And we're not done yet. We are here, we are in full swing, we are neck deep into business ownership with my own shop, and you know, it's awesome. I mean, it's kind of surreal sometimes, good and bad, but yeah, it's been a ride, and it's pretty awesome. This year is 30 years for me in the business. I started out at a collision shop in Kitchener, Ontario, and I was just working in the paint department. I had cut my teeth through the part-time stuff, so by the time I was full-time, I was already painting some small jobs, doing a bunch of major prep work, jamming everything and that. So when I was full-time, I'd already had a bunch of, not a bunch, but I had some experience, there we go, experience with how things operate. So I've definitely, yeah, we've been painting full-time since, 1996. And I worked there in that shop. We did paint and prep ourselves, so it was really great. So you really got to kind of look and learn, and it was just a different way. It's not how things are done today by any means, especially in larger shops that size of shop was that I was at. So we had 6 people, prepper painters in that paint department. We had 7 or 8 body technicians. We had 5 mechanics, and so it was a pretty large shop. So I was able to kind of really cut my teeth there. And I spent 17 years at that shop. I watched that shop change from solvent to waterborne paint technology. Went through that transition. I watched that shop transition from a independently owned mom and pop to a large MSO, which we were purchased by the Boyd Gerber Group. So in Canada, it's Boyd and Assured shops, and in the US, they would be Gerber shops. So we went through that transition, and that was interesting, especially coming from a smaller shop. Then from there, I went to another shop for a few years when my family relocated to Stratford, and from there became an opportunity to get a job with Exalta. So I took a job with Exalta, which was just a part-time contract, which is what I thought I'd always wanted to be, is work through here, become a paint technician, or not a paint technician, a tech rep. And that was kind of the holy grail when you're coming from the floor. With that, that opportunity merged into another opportunity with an MSO in a different capacity. I was able to get a job being a refinish coordinator. So I was overseeing 6 shops and overseeing all of the refinish departments, which was great. Again, another wonderful opportunity. I could, train, set my experience in. I was still going to be able to paint, and that was really awesome. But it, through COVID, everything changed with that. So then from there, I ended up getting a job at distribution and kind of seeing there. And with that, once I had gotten that job, a lot of the, being back on the floor had started to creep in. I was starting to do my own thing. I was doing much more custom paint in my garage, and started working towards this, and now here we are. We're coming up on 4 years in business, so it's been a crazy ride. There's been lots of ups and downs and struggles. As anything happens over 30 years, nothing's easy, but 2026 is pretty special. Like I said, yeah, it's 30 years for me in the business. I'm still cranking away. We're still working here every day. We're 4 years, or will be 4 years this year, in business for ourselves, and the shop is growing. We are doing some good things. We've really lucky with some great clientele who are you know, trusting us with their visions and their high-end jobs. So we're really looking forward to that. We got a bunch of big stuff coming for this year. So yeah, guys, 2026, here we go.